Little storyteller.
Lily loved to draw. Her favorite things to draw were funny faces. She had a big box of colorful crayons and lots of paper. One sunny morning, Lily had a wonderful idea. She drew a smiley face with big round eyes and a tiny crooked nose. "Hello," the smiley face seemed to say. Then Lily drew a winky face with a long silly tongue sticking out. "Let's have fun," the winky face giggled. Lily decided to make them the hosts of her very own drawing channel called Doodle Faces. The smiley face and the winky face loved showing everyone how to draw funny faces. The smiley face would say in a happy voice, "First, let's draw a circle." The winky face would then chime in, and then add some wiggly eyes. They showed how to draw faces with big ears, tiny mouths, and even rainbow-colored hair. Children everywhere watched Doodle Faces and learned to draw silly pictures. Lily also had a special contest called Funny Face of the Week. Children could send in their own funny face drawings. Every week, the smiley face and the winky face would pick their favorite. One week, a little boy named Timmy drew a face with square eyes and a zigzag mouth. It looked very surprised. The smiley face and the winky face thought Timmy's drawing was super funny. They showed it on their channel, and Timmy was so happy. He loved seeing his funny face make other children smile. Lily, the smiley face, and the winky face were all happy because they were sharing the fun of drawing with everyone. Remember, drawing is a wonderful way to share your ideas and make people happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.